Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV. Quick mod today on my screen door. So a week or so ago I installed this thing called the Screenshot onto my Challenger door here. Now it's a Lippard product, so I actually had to do a bit of a modification to make it work with my door. But it seems to do the job, so I'm quite happy with that. Just automatically closes the door for you. But unfortunately, also because I don't have a Lippard door, I don't have their nifty little mechanism where you can open this without opening the flap. So what happens is when you go outside, you can forget to close that flap, and then of course all the bugs can fly in. Usually Ann yells at me, "Hey, you're letting all the bugs in." I have to remember to close that flap. So I kind of looked around online and found this device called the Bug Stop. I ordered it from Amazon, just came. And it's kind of a little spring-loaded affair that's going to take care of automatically closing that flap for me. So let's pull it apart and we'll install it on the door. There's the little doodad there. Looks like it's just a piece of aluminum slider. There must be a spring in there to pull back. And then there's a strip of 3M tape. So you don't need any tools to install it or anything. Just going to install on the rail on the door. They say to use some isopropyl alcohol first, make sure everything's really clean so you can get a good adhesive bond with the 3M. Must be that very high bond tape, kind of outdoor mounting tape. And I want to line this up right here. Well, it seems to have done the trick. Got quite a bit of spring to it. Sucks it right back. Let's give the whole door a try now. Cool, that works pretty well. Looks like we're all ready for summer here. No more bugs in the RV, especially those wasps. I hate those wasps when they get in. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV. Cheers, everyone.